In today's video, I'm going to show you how to freeze a frame on CapCut PC. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. So first, I want to play this video. You can see it's already moving a video. So I want to just drag and cut. Okay. Then again, few seconds later, again cut. Okay. So I want to freeze this frame. You can freeze your own frame as you need. So at the top button, you can see here are freeze button available. Just keep freeze. Wow, it's already freeze. If I play this video first, you can see here are no moving. It's already working. Thanks for watching. See you again.